In a world full of hate, be alive. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be alive. La 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 la. La la la. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Thomas Rhett's new song called Be a Light. It's featuring Keith Urban and a bunch of other people. It's a really great song. You don't need, it's got some female voices and stuff in it. You can totally just sing it as a guy or just as a girl, whatever you want to do, okay? You don't need 7 other people to sing the song with you, okay? Real quick to everyone who has subscribed to my channel lately and just, you know, whenever you have, I thank you so much for it. To those of you who are new and this is like your first time watching one of my videos, or you just watched and you haven't subscribed, I'd ask you to please subscribe if you find these videos useful, so you can get notified when I come out with new ones, okay? So enough of that self-promotional stuff, let's get into it. So this is a very good raw guitar song. There's no capo, and it's in standard tuning. If you are confused because you've seen him play it with the capo, he is not playing it like he does in the live. On the album version, okay? So the album version, there's no capo. I've seen him do it with the capo on like the 4th or 5th fret. That's not how it's on the album. So he's also like finger picking it. This one, the album one, doesn't have that, okay? So you're gonna do, for the verse, the intro and verse, this is all you're gonna use. And this is different than the chorus, but you're gonna do A minor, C major 9 over B, and then C. If you don't know C major 9 over B, it's literally you to keep your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your middle finger, okay, on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, so that's it. I mute it when I do A minor, and I don't mute it when I do the C major 9 over B. Okay, and then you're going to do C. And this is the strumming pattern, okay? Down, 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 okay? So for the intro, you'll play that twice, and then you'll play it through the first verse. I'll just walk you through once what the verse sounds like so you can hear it. So it's, in a time full of war, be peace. In a time full of doubt, just believe. So it's A minor, C major, 9 over B, C. A minor, C major, 9 over, and then C. Okay? And you play that 4 times in the first verse, okay? Then the chorus is going to be different. You're going to use F, okay? You're going to use F, and then you're going to use, let's see, where am I? F, and then C, and then G, and then A minor, okay? So we'll do that. That's going to be 1, 2, 3 times, and then the 4th time you're going to do it differently. So you're going to strum it like this. It's mostly strumming the same, but then when you get to it the last time, you're going to go, you'll do F, G, C. So it's in a world of hate, be a light. Okay, that's the end. And then for the end of it, you're just going to do the same thing as the verse and intros. And you go la 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 la. So it's just the same A minor, C major, 9 over B, and then C. You'll do that twice as you're singing la 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 la. And then you go into the 2nd verse, okay? So, but let's walk you through the strumming on the chorus real quick, because it's going to go, so it's, in a world of hate, be alive. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be alive. So you'll notice what I'm doing, it's mostly the same. You want to be louder for sure than you were for the beginning, because the beginning is just very light. Okay, this is louder. So you're going to be louder, down, but then when you switch, you're going to go up, down like that, okay? Up, down, up. Or sorry, down, up, down is what I meant to say. So it's, see that, down, up, down, and then you're going to go to down, up, down, down, up, down. And then when you do Don't Hide in the Dark, you're going to just play a little bit differently. You're going to go, don't hide in the dark. Okay, so you still do down, up, down, but then you're going to do dark. So you're going to go down, and then keep going. Let's see, so it's, don't hide in the dark, you were born it's on dark, you're gonna like do wait a second, and then keep going, and then you're gonna go, you were born. So on G, you're gonna wait a second again. You're born to shine. And then you just go back to, if you're in a world full of hate, be a light. Okay, so you could play it just by strumming straight down the whole time. In a world full of hate, be a light. So you could do that too, but you don't have to do it that way. It sounds better, I think, if you throw in the down, up, down, okay? And then when you get to the other part, and you can listen to it, the album, and see, but it's... okay, so I did it slower so you can more pronounce, so you can see where it goes. So F, C, G, D, A minor, F, G, C. Okay, so you go C, then you're gonna go la 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 la. Okay, just like that. So it's a super easy song. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if you have other songs you'd like me to teach you next time. But it's very easy strumming pattern, very easy chords and everything. So that's it. That's the great new Thomas Rhett song. Anyway, thanks guys. Let me know if you have any questions. It's been real, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.